Hey guys, what is up? This is Italian Scorpion, and I am coming at ya. So today's video is I sound like a Beatle. If you haven't read the title, so yeah, so we are gonna be doing some stuff. Okay, so yeah. Okay, hold on. I need to get some blueberries. Sorry. So let's do Hey Jude. Okay. Let's do Hey Jude. Oh yeah. Use A to Z lyrics for a Beatles song. Still going? Okay. It's like totally magic. Yeah. Hey Jude, don't make it bad. Take a sad song and make it better. Remember to let her into your heart. Then you can start to make it better. Hey Jude, don't be afraid. You were made to go out and get her. The minute you let her under your skin, then you begin to make it better. And anytime you feel the pain, hey Jude, refrain. Don't carry the world upon your shoulder. For well you know that it's a fool who plays it cool by making his world a little colder. Na 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 na. Hey Jude, don't let me down. You have found her, now go and get her. Remember to let her into your heart. Then you can start to make it better. So let it out and let it in. Hey Jude, begin. Whatever. Nah, 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 hey, nah, 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 hey Jude. Sorry. I get a little carried away, guys. Oh, thank you, Rachel. So yeah. Wasn't really it, but, help. I need somebody help. Not just anybody help. You know I need someone help. When I was young, so much younger than today, I never needed anybody's help in any way. But now the days are gone, all so self-assured. I never find to dream eyes do open up the door. Help me if you can, I'm feeling down. But I do appreciate you feeling round. Boom, boom. Okay. About fragments of time. Driving this road down to paradise, letting the sunlight into my eyes. Our only plan is to improvise, and it's crystal clear that I don't ever want it to end. If I had my way, I would never leave. Keep building these random memories, turning our days into melodies. And I know the whole song, guys, so yeah. So yeah, if you enjoyed this video, please leave a like and a comment and tell me what you'd like to see or do next time. We will see you next time, guys. Don't forget to like, support, share, and do all that cool stuff like and commenting. And bye.